A mixed opened quickly turned lower Friday, but an early boost from January consumer spending data led to mixed action amid the overall decline. A rebound in bond yields paused, and oil and copper futures dropped back from recent highs. Earnings news sent Etsy and Monster Beverage sharply higher. On the Dow Jones today, shares of Johnson & Johnson traded lower, as its COVID-19 vaccine candidate faced an FDA committee review. The Dow Industrials dropped 350 points, down 1.1% as Dow stocks were widely mixed in early trade. United Health Group (UNH) and Home Depot (HD) rose more than 1%. Salesforce.com (CRM) and Chevron (CVX) fell to the bottom of the list. The S&P 500 gave up its early gains and dropped 0.5%. The Nasdaq Composite popped 1.4%, then backtracked into negative trade on the stock market today, with Charter (CHTR) and Monster Beverage (MNST) taking over the lead, and a passel of chip stocks running close behind. Monster angled up 3% on solid fourth-quarter results. At the top of the S&P 500, IBD 50 stock Etsy rallied more than 6% on earnings. Goldman Sachs raised its price target on the stock to $286, from $178. Energy weighed heavy on the S&P 500 in early trade. Texas-based utility NRG Energy (NRG) dropped 3.5% after rescheduling on Thursday its fourth-quarter reporting date due to issues linked to the weather-related power outages in Texas. Oil-related stocks held 5 of the S&P 500's 10 heaviest early losses in pre-market trade. Twitter (TWTR) was up 4%, aiming to add to Thursday's 3.7% gain. A half-dozen analysts raised price targets on the stock after the company revised its revenue outlook on Thursday. Small caps also turned lower. The Russell 2000 swung to a 0.8% loss, although Select Medical (SEM) scored an early breakout, and our Wall Street Bets target GameStop (GME) soared 16% in early trade. Stimulus vote, January spending, income jump. Personal income soared 10% and consumer spending jumped 2.4% in January, the Commerce Department reported. Both numbers were above economist expectations, and far above the 0.6% rise in income and 0.2% slip in spending reported for December. Inflation, a key concern as the economy recovers, remained tame for the month, with the PCE price index rising 0.3%. That was slower than December's 0.4% rise and in line with expectations. However, core prices, which strip out volatile food and energy costs, rose 0.3%, even with a 0.3% increase in December, but above forecasts for a 0.1% rise. IBD Live, a new tool for daily stock market analysis in Washington, House lawmakers prepared a Friday vote on the $1.9 trillion stimulus package set to include $1,400 relief checks to many Americans, although an effort to include a minimum wage hike to $15 was dealt a setback in the Senate late Thursday. Democrats are attempting to drive the bill through to a presidential signature before supplemental unemployment benefits expire in mid-March.